Hello everyone, welcome to Unity Queen channel. You might download a 3D model and bring it into Unity and see, okay, why there are four of the textures, why they're not just this. So because each of them have different purposes, and depending on a model, you might have different texture map, but these are the usual things that are with your model, and they're very handy. So select a model and drag and drop your diffuse. You see, click it and drag and drop it here on your model. And then if you go there, you see the material has been automatically created. Go there and you see there is an albedo that it is related to this diffuse map. Okay, you might say, what's the problem with that? Why not keep that? So let's compare that to another model that I want to create according to that. And let me duplicate that and give it to this. So if I change that, it wouldn't change the other. Okay, we go here and also, so they are identical. I have just the diffuse map in here. Now I want to work on this. So, for the metallic, it means that how shiny you want that your model be. And I drag and drop it here and see, wow, there's so many difference. And you can change the value for the smoothness. And for example, you might say like something like this or this. So there are huge changes. And you also have the normal map that is usually with a violet color. Sometimes with blue if you change that, but this is your normal map. And if you see the error, just say fix now. This is responsible for how your character will look 3D. That is kind of a fake 3D. So you have this, and if you compare this to that, you see that there are changes. And you might also have this depending on your model. But you also have diffuse emission. Um, if you have the emission, just check that and drag and drop your emission to here. And then you see, for example, here in this two spot, there is some red glow, which I think is, where is that? It's on the back of the uh, model here. The emission just make it to glow and shine, but here it didn't have that. So yeah, that's a difference. And later, if you have the model, another one, oh, sorry. You can just go to material and apply the material that you like. This or this. And you can even go there and change the color if you want. So here is how you can apply the different textures into your 3D model.